Rohit, who works in an IT company in Gurugram, spent 51,500 rupees via his credit card last month. The last date to pay his bill was July 20. Rohit paid 46,500 rupees from one bank account and 5,000 rupees from another account on 16th July. He came to know on 22nd that the transaction of 5,000 rupees was declined. He paid it immediately. Then he got a fresh bill on August 1. Now he was required to pay interest and GST of 2,368 rupees. If you use credit card, then you should definitely take a lesson from Rohit's mistake. Rohit had to pay interest of 2,368 rupees because he had delayed in making payment of only 5,000 rupees. Credit card companies take undue advantage of slightest mistake committed by the customers. Despite this, the use of credit card is increasing rapidly in the country. RBI's reports show that in March 2022, 23-month high of 19 lakh new cards were issued in the country. With this, the total number of credit cards reached the level of 7.36 crore. It registered an increase of 18.7% on yearly basis. The record spending through credit cards stood at 1 lakh crore rupees. There is no doubt that credit card is a good option to meet your financial needs. Spend for the whole month and pay it all together at the end of the month. Not only this, you also get up to 50 days to pay your bills. No interest is charged on this amount. But it needs to be well understood that the bank or the company does not do any charitable work. Ultimately, the earning is done from the pockets of the customers. Simply, they wait for the slightest mistake committed by the customer. So, credit card companies make a lot of money. How do credit card companies make money? Well, when the credit card bill comes, you have two options to pay it. There is an option of minimum payment. If you select this option, then the payment of the rest of the bill gets transferred to the next month. If you do not pay the entire outstanding amount, you will not get the benefit of interest-free credit period. In this situation, interest is charged on the entire amount from the first day of purchase, which is 48 to 60% annually. If you do this continuously, then this amount keep on increasing. Credit card companies earn mostly from such types of interests. Nowadays, a large number of people keep more than one credit card. If a single rupee of bill remains outstanding, then interest and penalty will continue to be added on the entire amount of the previous bill. It is also possible that the annual fee will also be included in this. Usually, credit card companies press you to pay such dues only when this amount really exaggerates. In such a situation, the credit score of the people will get spoiled. When they apply for a loan, it gets rejected. When the loan is needed, the customer eventually has to pay the total credit card bill. Jitendra Solanki, a SEBI certified financial planner, says that there is nothing wrong in using a credit card. It is a good option to meet financial needs. But keep paying its entire bill on time. Do your best to avoid the minimum payment option. If the outstanding amount is large and you are unable to pay it in lump sum, then get the EMI made. This will make it easier to repay the loan. Also, the interest charge will be lesser. If you use more than one credit card and if there is outstanding balance of 10 to 20 rupees, then pay it back. Immediately close the credit card if you are not using it. Otherwise, unnecessarily you will have to pay an annual fee on it, failing which you may have to pay a large amount in the form of penalty and interest on interest. Due to this, along with bad credit score, you may have to suffer many other losses.